Sometimes you're called out because of nuisance tripping on RCDs. They're like everything else, they wear out, they get weak sometimes. So we can carry out a test which is called a ramp test. That would actually put a current through it and gradually build it up until it switches off, and this instrument then will tell me at what rating or what current it's tripped off at. The important thing to remember is only to make sure the circuit that you're using as the test is switched on, because for instance, if this cooker was on and it had a 15 milliamp leak, it would mess up the figures on here. So this needs to be standing alone really, apart from the one circuit that I'm testing. So what I do is I plug my RCD tester in, put it to ramp, push the button and wait and see what happens. Okay, so it's now tripped off at 25 milliamps. That's okay. 25 milliamps, 5 milliamps either side would be acceptable. Anything less than that, you'd be looking at replacing the RCD.